beste dansen, dat is er nog steeds hier hartstikke goed. We zitten al een half uur gerepeteerd, maar met alle gezellig nog steeds hier zijn. We hoeven nog één keer vanochtend. De laatste 15 minuten knallen nog een paar liedjes in de show. Iets korter dan normaal, zodat we nog een keer kunnen draaien. Carnaval doen die al plaats aan deur, natuurlijk ook heel zo. De laatste 15 minuten voor die allergezelligste. De muziek is overal überhaupt in hier de laatste 10 minuutjes.
The pimps in the crib, mom, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot. If a nigga get an attitude, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean down and I'm over best weed cause I got it going on.
I'm a nice dude with some nice dreams. See these ice cubes, see these ice creams. Eligible bachelor, $1 million bowl. That's whiter than what's spilling down your throat. A phantom, exterior like fish eggs, an interior like suicide this way. I can exercise you, this could be your phys ed. She on the man, man, that's how you get a his head. Killer with the beat, I know killers in the street, with the skill to make you feel like you chillin' in the heat. So don't try to run up in my ear talking all that raspy shit, trying to ask me shit. When my niggas figure this, they ain't gon' pass me shit. You should think about it, take a second. Matter of fact, you should take 4D and think before you fuck a little skateboard beat.
When the pimps in the
It goes to something like this.
Let's go.